Hey guys, hope you're all fine and welcome to another video of All About Tech Reviews, and this is gonna be a series where I'll be unboxing 2 or more unique gadgets from online shopping markets under a particular price tag. And this is the first video of that series. I really don't know how many videos I am going to put in this series, but this is it. And in this video we are gonna unbox 2 unique gadgets which we will find on online shopping markets such as Amazon under the price tag of 100 rupees or $2. Yeah, you heard it right, under the price tag of 100 rupees. So if you want to know what those products are, stick to this video, and without any further delay, let's get into this video. This universal adapter is the first product of our list, under 100 rupees or $2, and you really get a lot for its price tag. First, the packaging is all okay and the details are written in Chinese, but you can easily make it out what's written by looking at the picture references by its side. Inside you also get a manual and the main adapter packed under a good quality carrying pouch. Now you get a carrying pouch under 100 rupees. Now that seemed too cool. Now it has also got 2 lock and unlock switches on its both side, and the third switch you have to take it out on your own, and it has also got a LED indicator which will indicate that it's getting power supply or not. On pressing the unlock button, the 2 pins, the US one and the Japan one, comes out, and if you want to put them back you need to apply some pressure, and the Europe one you have to take it out from your own hands, and if you want to push it back you just keep it back and it will go back. Now it's really awesome gadget which will help you when you are traveling in some other countries. Now it is adaptable to all the countries in this world, so you will never run out of compatibility with the sockets. This mini USB fan is the second product in our list, and you will get it in Amazon for around 90 rupees. Links will be in the description, so don't forget to check that out. But before you get one for yourself, make sure your device supports OTG, else it will not work. It will be a complete trash for you. So make sure your device supports OTG, then only go for it. Now one shocking thing that I noticed is the price written on its package is 2000 rupees. Why? I don't know, but the seller has mentioned the price of 2000 rupees, where you get it in Amazon for around 100 rupees. Now it's really shocking and very funny. Inside you get only this fan, and on plugging this on your smartphone, it starts to rotating. It starts to work. It is quite airy and it's made out of rubber, so it will not cut your finger, so no need to worry. Now you can get to know how fast it is by referring to this paper. Some drawbacks of this fan is it gets little warm when running for more than 20 minutes. Although it will not damage your smartphone, but I'll not suggest you to run this for more than 30 minutes. Now it's a really good product for 90 rupees, and you get a lot of air in emergency if you need, or it's just a playable toy which you can play around with it. So this was it. Some really cool gadgets in Amazon for around 100 rupees, so you can get them for yourself. Links will be in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your loved and dear ones who also need to have such Amazon gadgets, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one, and until then, goodbye and take care.